Hi guys, we are doing a boil wash in the Hotpoint. Set for program 1, well, 95 degrees on dial. Was going to do pre-wash but I haven't got time. No softener, just powder. 3 vanish scoops. That needs cleaning. Save it. Yep. No options. Just mainly dressing gown, towels and a bra, and that's it. Should see the water there now.
Put this upstairs,
yeah.
It's the hospital stuff though, anyway, isn't it?
Yeah. But then it is on most machines, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can just about see the water there. Oh yeah. Glad I got to do a boil wash actually. Glad I got to be able to do a boil wash actually. Didn't think I'd be able to.
Do what?
Glad I was able to do a boil wash, I didn't think I'd be able to.
No, I didn't. But then you just...
What scoot's better, the aerial Purcell or what scoot?
I got the aerial one.
Is it the best one of the lot? Of the lot? Yeah. There we go. Yeah, oh yeah, there's a tea towel in there. Coloured, but it's mainly, I've boiled it before. No. Yeah. I've boiled it in the backer before anyway. Pause because it's soaked up all the water. Yeah. Come on! It'll do another tumble in a moment. There we go. Taking forever. Oh, there it is.
Is it paused again?
No, it just took a while to take in the water.
So it's not heating, is it?
No, it's not heating yet.
Yeah, it's feeling quite warm already. It hasn't that much, so it should be nice.
Whoa, something bumped. Yeah, it's a heavy load, alright. You can see from the door sill, look. Okay, we're on heating stage now. Oh yeah, we can look for that tripod in a minute. Can't wait to see the spin on there. Yeah. Hi guys, we're on the next stage, which is first heating stage. I got the last bit a bit wrong. No options, oil wash, no softener. There's about 60 in there at the moment. Should have load on that towel. This is 95 degrees for a change. So it's about 75 degrees now. Okay, I'm going to catch up with this once we're heated to 85. Bye.
Remember, you've got to go to the other side.
That's stupid. But not long. We are on the next heating stage, or heat retaining even. I've called it all main wash. No, we haven't. Wash was put on at 1 o'clock, it's now 5 to 2. Okay, I'll catch up with this on the next main wash stage. Bye. Okay guys, the machine has stopped heating. It's still on the same stage, but the machine's turned the heater off. Still doing heating tumbles. Continue for a while until main wash part. There we go. Now it's going to go on to main wash tumbles, I believe. Yep, back to main wash tumbles. program 5 stage.
It doesn't take this long on 2 after heating, go straight onto program 5 stage, doesn't it?
I know. It's got another, should have around 10 minutes at the most, and then it's got half an hour rinsing. Hi guys, we are now distributing after the wash. It's been on 1 hour and 10 minutes. We've got half an hour of rinsing to go. Very fancy. God, wait till we see a spin on this, Jesus. But we get an unbalanced one now, but I don't want us to do it yet. No. God, imagine that spinning now. It'd kill itself.
I wish it did spin up and water really well, that's right.
That's the good thing about the Bendix, the new seat and the Bethco. They all span after the wash.
Yeah. Just the Bendix, doesn't it?
No, nor does this.
No.
But this does a better thing after the wash because it sort of distributes, so
yeah, at least
it sort of gets a tiny bit of more water out than the trusty Bendix.
Yeah.
This will be a good cool down rinse as well because it fills slowly.
Yeah.
As you can see. Oh, you can't really because of the... Oh well. Get it. Oh, you can't really see in there. Oh well. I'll just wait till it's filled up. Oh, there's in the Bendix there's a couple of socks. Can you just grab them for me so I can mop this up?
Yeah, okay. Did you put them in this though?
Yeah, they're in there.
Yeah, didn't you put them in this?
No, they're not 100 cotton, are they?
Oh, they're white now.
Yeah, but they're like half polyester or whatever. I wouldn't boil. You said not to boil them.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, when you asked me that ages ago.
Yeah.
I suppose it's probably best not to polyester.
Yeah. Yeah. Is there water coming up yet? No. There is water coming out of there though. Oh, crap.
It's now on level.
Huh?
It's now on level.
I know. It's because I pulled it out and put it in again. And it's sitting a bit dodgy. Come on! filling. Not again.
Hi guys, like the Hotpoint is on the final rinse now because we've unfortunately had to do manual rinsing again, like to put it on top of the rinse and make it feel like that.
Developed again.
Yeah, we've got this fault again, so presumably it wasn't the solenoid thing valve. So yeah, this is final rinse now anyway.
Gutted. Really.
Yeah.
Don't know why it would do it though. If anyone could help and tell us what's happened, then I'd be very
I
grateful.
mean, we've tried to check for blockages and we couldn't find anything, so...
No blockages. The new solenoid did work for the first wash, but this is the second wash. First rinse comes along and it didn't work. Or was it second?
Second rinse. No, was it?
It was first or second. And
It suddenly stopped on first, didn't it?
oh yeah, it was first rinse. It came down from the distribution of
well, it
the
filled for like quite a bit, then it suddenly just stopped, didn't it? Because it was already filling really slowly.
Yeah.
And then should drain in a minute and distribute. That might be unbalanced again, like it was on the last one.
I hope so. It was fun.
Don't stop it this time. Let it go.
Oh yeah. Go on.
Yeah, let it. Let it go really unbalanced. Even jump. Funny.
I'm gonna turn that big in and just put this one over.
Yeah, you should.
Oh. Anyway, the Bendix has got more vigorous tumbles than this. Did you see it in the video?
Yeah.
There we go again.
Well, let's see. Let's just hope it might get balanced.
Go on.
Probably going to be balanced this time.
No, it's well unbalanced. Oh no. What are you going to do, Mr. Hotpoint? Come on, go back. Yeah, that's right unbalanced. That is right unbalanced. Oh no.
It doesn't sound it.
Because it doesn't drain the water. Wow. That is, yeah, look.
Oh yeah, oh my god.
Look.
Ah, you can hear the spring. Oh my god. That's going to jump.
Yeah, look. Stand back.
Actually, I think the towel still moves again. It seems less unbalanced now.
Yeah, it's trying to wait till this spins. Run.
You know, whoa.
Yeah, that is bad. Run.
I know, yeah. Watch.
Yeah.
Jump.
Yeah, we'll see.
Oh.
Yeah, it's shifting a bit, look. It did rock from side to side a bit, yeah. God, jeez. Weird. Yeah, so I'm not sure what to do now. I'm tempted to give these machines to a collector, the Bendix and the Hotpoint, and buy a meter. But it all depends if what my papa and dad's girlfriend say, and what happens really. Might even waterlock again.
Yeah, it did last time, didn't it?
Yeah.
So hopefully I can go down to distribution.
No, I doubt it.
It last time.
No, it won't. It might. God, it won't. No, it didn't. God, look, waterlocking again. slow spin until it's drained most of the water out. No, it's not.
Yeah, you can do it, man. No, maybe. Try it. Yeah.
No, it's alright now.
Oh, it's all right. I think it's got that.
Yeah.
That bang, that guy.
Oh, no, it's still waterlocking. Oh, for God's sake. Yeah, not far. That's it, yeah, it's all done now, I think. Oh, look at it shaking. Oh yeah, it's waterlocking again, but I think it's just because it's unbalanced. Slow down in a minute. What? Maybe. I'll put it on for another spin after this.
Do you want to slide now or are you going to slide?
What, the water?
Yeah, see what the touch, see if they manage to spin it all. Like, see what it's like.
Yeah. Just select final spin again. Oh God, look at that.
Should probably try and get more balance as well.
Yeah.
When it opens.
Yeah, hang on. Leave it. Alright. Yeah, they're not exactly amazingly dry, are they?
Not too bad.
They're not bad, yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, let's just get this sorted.
Right.
Yeah, stop messing about with it. Oh God, look at that rubber.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. Just take them all out and put them in again.
So,
Yeah.
right.
Sorry.
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Oh, fair enough.
Alright, slowly. Surely. Ew.
Right.
Oh, I found something in there.
Fair enough.
Right, hang on, wait, do it more. Don't put it all in, let it tumble and it'll distribute itself better now.
Maybe. There's always a chance.
Yeah. Right, I'll get you in there. Get in there, you stupid thing. Right.
That didn't really need a respin actually.
Well, let's try again.
Well, no, I mean I meant the last one was pretty dry, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You can click round it.
Oh, it already has. Haha. A bit better. Yeah, I'll keep on it.
Right, okay. Yeah, no surprise. Ah, there's water out there.
Okay guys, thanks for watching this. As I said, if you could give me an idea of what could have gone wrong with it, then that'd be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, bye.